Well, the SUI token took almost a new high this morning, and we gave you guys a video about this just 2 short days ago when the coin was at $1.70 something cents. It blasted off to about $2.13 in the last 2 days, right after I gave you guys a $2 alert. And I want to talk a little bit about what you can expect for the SUI token next, and the meme coin on this network that is currently getting some attention. And I think there's going to be some others as well out there to just speculate on, to look at on your own if you're interested in that sort of thing. And so with that being said, welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's talk about SUI token, which is breaking to new all-time highs potentially here today. But we are seeing resistance that I want to talk about. So smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back, guys. Let's hop right into this one. So if you look at coin market cap, just to kind of get a glance of where we're at right now in the crypto market, let me refresh the page for you. We are currently looking at Bitcoin at a $63,400 price. Earlier this morning, we were up to 64K. Bitcoin was moving up. And so what naturally happens, you see some altcoins start to pump as well. We have some cat coins actually pumping today because of actually speculation around the founder of Bitcoin. If somebody potentially knows the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, allegedly, and then coins were created of his cats. And so you have cat coins pumping today, which is very interesting. But SUI token is up 16% over the last 24 hours, up 17% over the last 7 days. And it is one of the top performing coins right now. Now, just 2 short days ago, and if you just check it out, actually, it says 1 day ago. This was on October 5th. Today is October 7th, but October 5th, we posted this video on the channel. It got 1.2K views, and the title of this video is SUI Token Price Prediction 2025, $2 SUI Price Alert, SUI meme coins incoming, and that is exactly what we saw. First of all, just look at the time of this recording, you'll see $1.72. Now, if you were to open up a trade at the time of that recording and ride this thing back up to the $2 level, then you could have made some good money. Now, I was saying in this video a couple things. One, that it could potentially come down to one of these other levels that I've been talking about. Yes, it could come potentially down to $1.15. That was if Bitcoin slipped down to back down to the 52K region, which it did not happen. Instead, we boosted up to 64. And I said, if Bitcoin can get up to 70K, I would definitely expect this thing to go into price discovery mode. But on the way up, you could easily see this thing get to $2 again. And at $2, as we've been peaking at with the SUI token, there's going to be a little bit of resistance up there. But most notably, resistance was going to be at the previous all-time high, which was actually at $2.18. And so we just got just shy of that. Not that surprising to see that we broke through $2. If we were to break through $2, as I said, we could easily blast up and attempt the previous high, which we attempted, but we are now rejecting off of it. And coincidentally, Bitcoin is kind of coming back down after a little bit of a blast off earlier today. On the 4-hourly time frame, you'll see we were up earlier, and now we are coming back down for Bitcoin today. And so what's happening? Naturally, SUI is finding some resistance at that $2 level. At the $2.18 level or what have you. What I think we could see from here now is potentially, if you look at the hourly candles, just in a very simple test, at least back down to the $2 price level, possibly down somewhere around the $1.87 to $2 retest one more time before we actually go into price discovery mode. It's very, very seldom that you actually see a coin just straight blast through its previous all-time high. But just look back here. February 2024 was the high before we then took a new high in March of 2024. But what happened? You broke through, and then we kind of came back down, and we played a whole new game. And so this is what happens many times. So if you're trading a coin like this, then I urge you guys, as you are getting in the profit and these things are going up and reaching strong resistance, which strong resistance is going to be at $2.18 or so, you should take some profit, shuffle some profit, because I know there are going to be some people that do that. And at the end of the day, this thing is still possibly able to come all the way back down to $1.70, $1.90. I think anywhere from $2 to $1.80 would be a reasonable level for it to kind of retest, find support on the $2 level. And that's the key, guys. What you need is resistance to turn into support. Now, we've broken through resistance, which to the upside is $2. Now we found a new resistance at $2.18. So now we need to find support at $2, but it takes a while for that to happen. Now, I'll say this, if Bitcoin continues to blast off, we could easily find SUI finding support at $2. In fact, one day I think it's going to be possibly even at $20, maybe even in this bull market. I think a 10x is very achievable for SUI in this bull market, as I've been talking to you guys about. But I wanted to kind of lay that out for you because we did make some predictions, and we also talked about a meme coin on the SUI network in this video. If you just look over to this right here, you'll see I talked about SUDANG. And here you go. You'll see this coin at the time of that recording, again, just less than 2 days ago, was at $120 million market cap. Now, full disclosure, I didn't buy any of this coin. In fact, I said I'd be staying away from this coin right now because at the time of this recording, this is at $120 million market cap. And the MUDANG token, which is the original Hippo meme coin, was at $130 million. Well, guess what? It actually, right now, MUDANG is at $117 million. And the SUDANG token, the meme Hippo coin on SUI's network, is actually at $170 million. So now you have the SUDANG meme Hippo token that has actually flipped the actual original OG MUDANG meme token, which is just mind-blowing to me. And it just kind of shows you how strong the SUI ecosystem really is right now. It's very attractive to people. And people do like this Hippo coin. Now, the MUDANG coin's still coming down. Possibly a decent buying opportunity if you're interested in that meme coin. I don't know. I don't own any of it. It's a very speculative play, as is the SUDANG token. But the point is as you see the SUI token, actual token price pumping of the SUI network gaining attraction, gaining activity, I also laid out in this video that if you look over at DeFi Llama, you'll see that the SUI network is actually a very, very strong network. Where did I lay this out for you guys? I did in this video at some point talk about the DeFi and the total value locked up in this ecosystem. Boom. I was talking about this. It was up 62% over the last month. It's at $1 billion TVL. This is a top 7 right now DeFi protocol. And so there's activity going on. And so all of a sudden you have some meme coins pumping on this network. And this Hippo coin is the most notable one right now. There's some other coins that maybe some people are going to consider looking at on this network. I don't really know. It's too early to say. But anyway, I did think it was a very interesting thing to show you guys in this video. I am bullish on SUI. I think that SUI could easily get anywhere from, $10 to $20 in this bull market, maybe even higher. And we did make that prediction for you guys to say that, hey, $2 alert. Did you use that as some kind of trade signal? Now, please grant it, I'm not giving financial advice, but we have made some pretty interesting plays in just kind of watching this market closely over the last 3 years, and SUI is definitely one of those plays that we've been right on top of on this channel. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Be ready. SUI could test the $2 level, possibly break that down below it very gently here before continuing to the upside. If Bitcoin can break past $70,000, I think that we will see new all-time highs in price discovery mode for SUI, and it's probably going to be one of the higher performing coins, at least in terms of top blockchains out there, because the TVL is certainly strong. There's a lot of volume in that right now, and I think there's going to be some new up-and-comers, but SUI is definitely a top contender right now, as you see a lot of institutional interest in this one. So we'll keep an eye on it. That's all I got in this one, though. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. And of course, my friends, I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Until next time, peace, y'all.